Today we will show you how to set up a perfect holiday Christmas tree. This tree comes with Instant Connect features which allows you to quickly and easily connect your lights without multiple plugs. Each tree comes with 3 sections: a sturdy metal stand, 3 stability screws, a remote control and foot pedal switch. Let's start by setting up the stand. Our stands fold flat for easy storage. To open, just move the legs away from each other until the holes align. You'll want to make sure the holes in both the inner and the outer stand line up so you can insert the stability screws. Insert and twist each stability screw into the corresponding hole in the stand. Don't screw them all the way in as you'll need room to insert the tree base. Once you've set up the stand, you can now insert the first section of the tree. This will be the largest section, have a long pole on the bottom and an opening on the top. Let's start by inserting the pole of the first section into the stand. You can now tighten the stability screws. Rotate them in a clockwise direction until the tree is stable. We're using a pre-flipped section here, but you can always watch our videos on how to fluff your tree to achieve a full look. Let's plug in the tree so you can see the convenient Instant Connect feature when we add the second section. Now let's add the second section of the tree. You can insert the pole into the bottom section. The Instant Connect feature allows you to instantly connect the lights without any plugs simply by connecting the poles. You have now instantly connected the lights. It's time to add the final piece. Go ahead and place the last section of the tree into the middle section. The lights will automatically turn on once the poles connect. Your tree is now completely assembled. Let's look at some of the other convenient features of this tree. You can now use the included foot pedal to turn your tree on and off. This is great for tight spaces so you don't have to bend down to plug and unplug your tree. Now you can use your remote to change the light colors. From warm white to multicolor to pastel, and choose from different functions. You can now enjoy your perfect holiday Christmas tree.